This video I'm making about a comment that I actually received on my YouTube channel. A subscriber who actually wanted to see the success that I've actually had with my YouTube automation channels and also share with them my clients' testimonials, right? So that's what I'll be covering in this video. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. And just to show you quickly, like the comment that I actually received. So the comment that I actually received was here. So why don't you show how much your success is? Okay, so it's pretty much like people always reach out to me, even on my Facebook page. They reach out, hey, you haven't showed any success on my channel and you keep on continuing to create videos after videos. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video. However, if you also go to my playlist section, I actually interviewed a lot of my clients and also share with you my results on my channel. This isn't to flex on you guys. I'm just showing you this to actually prove that you can actually do the same. Like, I have got nothing unique in me. Whatever I'm going to be sharing with you, it's all through my own hard work, right? You might also be seeing this video, you might have some creativity more than me, right? However, I'm just showing you just to show you that me being coming from a truck driver, driving between 14 to 16-hour shift every single day, and I was just sick and tired of working all the time. It was really, really tough, really, really frustrating. But I needed to find a way to be earning income online, and luckily I stumbled upon YouTube automation because it's completely changed my life big time. Like, I'm not some sort of like guru out there on the internet, flexing on my results and stuff like that. I'm just a normal everyday person, just trying to provide as much value on my channel. And even I've actually had a lot of subscribers reach out to me, say, Sanjeev, your videos are so down to earth. And if I compare this to all the other gurus who are actually talking about YouTube automation in the space, like they can actually feel my energy when I actually talk to you on the camera, right? So that's what I actually trying to deliver on this channel. Be unique. Don't have all these crazy edits, people just lying, showing screenshot after screenshot after screenshot. This is all real. So make sure you stay throughout this video. However, if you also want to work with me one-on-one, at the end of the video, if you see some value in this video, make sure to click the link beneath this video to actually access to me via Facebook. And it will really, really helpful if you can also go and subscribe, because it will mean the world to me, so that way I can keep on creating this free content for you. So sit back, relax, and see the results for yourself, guys. God bless, and I will speak to you soon. Bye bye. Flex on you. This is just to show you that what I'm actually teaching in this whole entire course and whole entire program really, really does work. And most of the time people actually just get motivated just by seeing results. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let me share with you my screen, and let's get into it. This is really excited stuff, and I wanted to share with you the results. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very baby channel that we started, and within a short amount of time, literally we just uploaded maybe 5 or 6 videos, and this channel just took off right off the gate. Okay, so in the first few days we made 287, and the next month went up to 2000, and still it was ongoing. So I took the screenshot. Okay, so and making 10,000 per month on YouTube automation is very, very easy, and I've actually done that time and time again. So to make $10,000, you need to have the right strategy, and you need to take action on those strategy. Okay, so that's what I'll be teaching in this program. Okay, so this is one of my channel's results, and if I actually go down, this is a results that I've actually got, and pretty much I've entered a competition in here. So they give prize money to people who actually made the highest revenue on the channel, right? So he said, congratulations to our winners for December challenge. This was a December challenge, and you can see my name here, Sanjeev Chen. We see each and every single one of you gave it all, right? Keep it up. The challenge continues. Okay, so challenge continues. This was taken in 2023, and if I go down, this is me here. Biggest win for the month, Sanjeev Chand. Okay, so this is the highest revenue that I've actually got on my channel, and for that I've actually won the prize money. Okay, and if I go a little bit down, you'll see the next month after that I also again won the competition. Okay, so say congratulations to the winners of the challenge. And in this group there's like thousands of people, but only 3 people were chosen, and they're choosing like the highest revenue, fastest action takers, and also most engaging that they were doing. Okay, so this is again, I won the competition, highest revenue. Okay, so if I scroll down, and this is just taken by real time. So another of my students, I shared with them the strategy, and he said, guess what, I posted a video yesterday afternoon. It's been less than 24 hours and it's already had 11,000 views. Okay, oh my god, how did that happen? Yay, so super exciting stuff, that people actually win. Here's another one. So he said, you posted twice weekly to achieve these results. So this is like my done for you client, and we were just managing his channel for him. I like to be posting more constantly. Man, I must tell you, you are good at this, and I'm happy to be your student. Okay, so he's one of my students, plus he later on 10 into my done for you client. All good, bro. Let me know. So thank you, bro, for the opportunity. Aside being my mentor, okay, I like being friends with you, bro. Okay, so just reaching out and saying thank you. This is another of my channel in the last 28 days, hit like $1,400. If I go down, here's another of my guy that actually just saying that my method really works. So shout out to Sanjeev Chand for sharing his YouTube automation strategy with our community. So this is a community of like 75,000 people in there, and in there they actually called me to get them to share, teach them my strategy, what I was actually doing to get results, and I shared with them the YouTube strategy. Okay, so this is a community of like huge group, and I went inside there to share my strategy, okay, on YouTube automation. Okay, so if I go a little bit down, here's another of my channel. In the last 28 days, hit $1,100. Here's another of my channel. 7.6 million, $28,000 we were able to hit. If I go a little bit more down, so he says, hey Sanjeev sir, good morning, I hope you're doing well. And he got like 100,000 views right off the gate. Okay, and sir, 13 days results, all because of you support. So here's another one. So this is here's a testimonial that I've actually got from my mentor. So he said, lately a bunch of amazing new testimonials come in, so start generating. So in here he says Sanjeev is killing it and keeps creating new channels that make him thousands of dollars every single month. Not long ago he was still a truck driver. Okay, so I must say that whatever I'm actually teaching in this course, in this strategy, really does work. And if you take out some time to actually go through this, you will actually benefit and reap the reward. So if you want to see more results, you can actually go to my YouTube channel, Sanjeev Chand. You can just type in, and you can actually just go to the playlist section in here. Okay, so simply go to my playlist section, and in here you see my clients interviews that I did. Here's my channel results from 2021 to, I keep adding stuff in there. And you'll also see a lot of testimonials in here as well. Okay, so the channels I've actually been building for a number of years, and I'll just say that whatever I'm actually teaching in this course, in this program, really does work. And this is not some sort of might numbers. All the testimonials
all the channels that I've actually shared is my channels, because what we do is we build up channels, and it's actually fun for me to build up channel, go into different niches, and start putting all these, because I've actually got the recipe now. So it's just of matter of like building it up to like a huge asset that I can actually be building, and then later on sell all of those things, you know. So this is just to prove that this business model does work, and YouTube is one of the highest search platform on the internet, aside from Google, because Google is bought by YouTube. Actually, Google has actually bought YouTube, so you can imagine like how much business they're actually doing on a single day. Okay, and it's awesome business. So do take out some time to actually go through the reviews, go through the testimonials, and you can see that the method that I'm actually teaching in here really does work. Go to my YouTube channel, you'll see all these results, my clients testimonials, and all my channel's results you'll see on my YouTube channel. So again, thank you so much, and if you have any questions, you can leave in the group, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you so much, and my